these trying times of my life. First and foremost, I wish to thank the Almighty God, who has been gracious and merciful to me. And importantly, I say a big thanks to you. I say a big thank you to the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa, who, upon receiving a lot of petitions from well-meaning Ghanaians and friends, both home and abroad, to intervene in my situation, gave a listening ear to my life. Secondly, I'd like to say a big thank you to the Honorable Attorney General, Mr. Godfrey Dami, for his great support and for representing the government at large in taking this matter up as an exceptional case, considering the situation of my 7-year-old son. My special thanks also go to all those who, in one way or the other, worked behind the scene to support my cause. Of course, I cannot forget to say thank you to all my lawyers who came to assist me in one way or the other since this matter started, and in particularly Mr. Andrew Votia, Gangster Tamaklo, John Kwame, Quentin, Kwahine Nana, Sam. Please, my English is not good, so the way I say, please forgive me. Felix Nana Osei, and etc. And the rest of the legal team. I also want to thank persons like those called celebrities, the Nigerian blogger Monfa, CCB Niger, Tonto Dike, Linda Nkeji, Tunde Ednot, Cardi B, my spirit Winnie, BKB, Reggie, Raston, the legendary, Sarkodie, Efia Noftana, Habiba Sinari, Nana McBrown, the legendary, Kwalkesier, Prince Kennedy, Nation blogger, Nkokonsan, Zion Felix, GH Hyper, Ronnie is everywhere. A lot, all my bloggers. Please, I can't mention all of you, your name. But please, I'm so grateful. I saw everything when I came back. I saw all the support you use your blog to do for me, especially the hashtag Free Akuapem Poloo. I saw it and I was home, but I was still crying because I didn't know I had so much people who love me like this. And finally, I want to thank the rest of my fans, both home and abroad, especially my lovely brothers and sisters in Nigeria and the rest of Africa for standing by me in this matter. And last but not the least, to my pastor, all religion leaders who in one way or the other said a prayer for me on this matter. I say God bless you all. In fact, I cannot finish thanking everyone, but God bless everyone for me. I really... biara okwame ewo mauchi imo ana yetu imi eyo bia na asen wetu otimi mi hufi me pese me danyankopon ase se wetimi ejimi etie me mpaibo eyimi ti asembe me pese me da nya pese me danyankopon ase so yimi asemwe pese me da me papa eye president nana Akuapem ase so no so me mianu media for and me fans match the sending petition and man one look it on me na otie me na Attorney General so be so mu no omutie me no mutie me no mutie me me fear me because I say where I will come no
All right. Okay, so let's leave it here for the time.
Maybe just a question. What was it like being in prison?
No.
Then there's no story. It's a thing. It was a thank you talk. Now then there's no story. If you want to join me, it's a story. Then there's no story. No room for question.
Sorry, we would have to just end it here. Any other question?
So why do you call it a press conference? Because a press conference is supposed to be an interactive session with the media. So we ask questions. Don't just come and do a vote of thanks and dismiss us.
So you can ask the question. We would
But I'm telling you,
she's relaxing. Yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait so she can. So we'll wait. She comes now and then we take it. So go and work on that. No. Let her calm down.
She's bowing her head. I understand.
Sure.
Understand her situation. The whole thing is emotional. Okay, and the issues are many. She's going through some form of psychological trauma and so on and so forth. So this is the time you and I will have to put our heads together and empathize, okay, with her. At least she's been able to make an appearance. She's been here with us. And as she started mentioning the name of the president, memories started coming in.